Hey guys, it's your boy James R. Davis Sr. here. In this video, I want to show you how you can enroll for just the benefits only here with Making Wealth Real Financial. So you're going to go to benefitpros.com, as you can see here. Benefitpros.com. All right. You're going to click on that. It's going to bring you here to the page. You're going to see Team Davis at the top, or you're going to see icons at the top, one or the other, depending on which link that you may have. And then you're just going to simply scroll down here. If you want to learn more about the Money Max, you just click on Learn More. All right. If you want to learn more about the Credit Max, you just open it up and you click on Learn More. Okay. And if you just want to go ahead and enroll, click right here to become a member. Yep. Since my internet is not connected for whatever reason, let me go back. Let's do this again. Alright, so let's go here to become a member. There we go. $79.99, $97, $79.97, $80 a month for these amazing services that you get to allow the professionals, to do the work for you. Not to mention the bill shredder, not to mention the land banking, not to mention the private reserved accounts. Absolutely phenomenal, folks. So this is how you enroll. Fill out your information here. Make sure that you got all your proper, correct information. Click on sign up. Make sure you select this little button right here that you've read the terms and conditions. Sign up now, and I'll be giving you a buzz, making sure that you just simply upload your information to the system. Let the professionals do the rest. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.